Escape car loan debt fast, step by step. Number 1, car loan debt can feel stressful every month, but the right payoff strategy can help you escape faster than you think. Number 2, when keys sit next to unpaid bills, it is a reminder that your car should give freedom, not financial pressure. Number 3, start by calculating your exact monthly payment, balance, and interest so you know what you're fighting. Number 4, searching for solutions is smart, because the fastest debt payoff always begins with a clear plan. Number 5, check your current auto loan balance today and make it your mission to bring that number down every month. Number 6, stress behind the wheel often comes from money pressure, but discipline can replace that stress with confidence. Number 7, write down a realistic payoff goal and choose the date you want this debt gone for good. Number 8, mark every due date on your calendar, so late fees never steal your hard-earned money again. Number 9, a monthly budget is one of the most powerful tools for paying off car loan debt fast. Number 10, give every dollar a purpose by separating money for bills, savings, and your extra loan payments. Number 11, removing shopping apps helps stop impulse spending and protects your debt freedom plan. Number 12, put credit cards away for now so you do not replace one debt with another. Number 13, make every car payment on time because consistency builds momentum and protects your credit score. Number 14, a payment confirmation message may seem small, but it means you are moving forward. Number 15, whenever possible, make extra payments directly toward the principal to reduce interest faster. Number 16, watching your loan balance drop each month can become powerful motivation to stay focused. Number 17, create a car payoff jar and place extra cash inside every week. Even small amounts matter. Number 18, saving cash regularly creates progress that compounds over time. Number 19, a side hustle after work can dramatically speed up your auto loan payoff journey. Number 20, extra income earned at night can become financial freedom in the future. Number 21, use bonuses, tax refunds, or extra paychecks wisely instead of wasting them. Number 22, transfer windfall money directly to your loan before spending temptation appears. Number 23, selling and use electronics or household items can generate quick debt payoff cash. Number 24, turning clutter into money is one of the smartest short-term strategies available. Number 25, cooking meals at home instead of eating out can save hundreds every month. Number 26, meal prep keeps spending low and helps you stay committed to your budget. Number 27, skipping daily expensive habits like coffee runs can help eliminate debt sooner. Number 28, removing items from your online cart is sometimes a bigger win than buying them. Number 29, review subscriptions carefully because small monthly charges quietly slow down debt progress. Number 30, cancel anything you do not truly use and redirect that money to your car loan. Number 31, lowering home utility costs can free up extra money each month. Number 32, turning off lights and reducing waste supports your bigger financial goal. Number 33, choosing cheaper transportation sometimes creates more room in your budget. Number 34, public transportation for some trips can reduce fuel and maintenance costs. Number 35, talk openly with family about the payoff plan so everyone supports the mission. Number 36, keep a small emergency fund ready so unexpected expenses do not create new debt. Number 37, monitor your credit score while paying debt because strong habits improve your financial profile. Number 38, a decreasing balance graph proves that small, smart actions really work. Number 39, celebrate each milestone because motivation is important during long debt journeys. Number 40, tracking progress weekly helps you stay focused and avoid setbacks. Number 41, the final payment can become one of the best clicks of your financial life. Number 42, seeing a paid in full message is the reward for discipline and patience. Number 43, once paperwork says paid, that monthly burden is officially gone. Number 44, owning your car without loan payments creates peace and flexibility. Number 45, confidence grows when your income belongs to you again. Number 46, a paid-off car can become a symbol of smart money management. Number 47, the road ahead looks brighter when debt no longer controls your budget. Number 48, start today Stay consistent, and you can escape car loan debt faster than you imagine. Number 49, disclaimer. This content is for educational and informational purposes only. Always do your own research before making financial decisions. Number 50, if this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and share it with someone who wants to become debt-free fast.